Hello YouTube friends and fans. Today I'm going to try to repair this mowing deck. It's got a huge crack. I'm going to show you where it's at. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. So you can see it's cracked all the way along the front there. You can see the daylight. So big thing is trying not to start a fire. Let's get started. Looks like I'm going to need a new blade here too. Definitely sharpened. I've got a split in it. That one's got a split in it. That was a ticket. Now she's smooth. Just trying to remove the paint so I can weld it. That'll work. Well, that's an ugly weld, but it is on the inside, so it don't really matter, I guess. See where it was burning through, but that crack looks so much better. I'll put a weld right through the front there. Probably a little bit down the side. Got to do some grinding, clean it up though. Can't weld on paint. Well friends, thanks for watching. I know it's not pretty, but it will be functional. And well over $2,000, probably close to $4 grand to replace this current setup I've got. Yes, it's 10 years old, but it is what it is. Hey, thanks for watching. Come back for more videos. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, comment. Thank you.